Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I just received this email of weekly product updates on HubSpot, and I thought of just sharing my thoughts and trying to just simplify these a bit. This is a new video format, so if you like it, do let me know. So the first one over here is app install governance, and this is something which I was expecting for a long time. So up until now, if you had to install any HubSpot connector or any other connector or app with HubSpot, you like the connectors or something which you could directly install without requiring any approvals. And this also opens you to security lapses. So what now has been done is super admins can now centrally control AI connectors in HubSpot. So this means that anytime any member from the team is going to have try to install a AI connector, it will be subject to the super admin's approval. And once that is approved by the super admin, anyone across the org can then add in the AI connector. So if I just open it over here to read this description, if you see approve which apps are allowed in the account, control which users, this is also something which can be controlled, rework and all that. So over here, if you see, while giving a super admin, while giving access, can choose if he wants to give to specific users, to everyone, or to admins. So again, like a good move in terms of uh, accounting for any security lapses. So that was the first one. The second one is Streamlined Index Page. Now this is like HubSpot calls it a major update, but in my view, it's just their attempt to simplify the UI a bit. So there have been no major changes in my opinion. It is just that they are trying to make it more user friendly. So if you see a bit of colors, a bit of all these emojis and tags, so they want to make it more interesting at the same time as informative as possible. So yeah, if you want, you can enroll into this beta as well. Looks quite interesting. The next one over here is simplified user creation and invite flow. So as a super admin, if you've ever added a new user, you know currently that even now, if I come over here and try to add a user over here by go to users and teams and create new, it's like a multi-step thing. I first enter the email ID and next. So what they've now done is they've simplified it a bit, wherein, yeah, over here, wherein all of this is now in a single page. So you add the email address, you select a seat, you provide the permissions, you add in a team, and that's it. You do not need to click multiple times new pages to be able to enter in all of these details. All of them have been consolidated to one page, which is a good thing because the earlier UI was a bit tedious, wherein you needed to click multiple times to create one user. So again, a good move in terms of user friendliness. The next one is focused attachments on record. Now this is a quite interesting one and just goes on to show how deeply HubSpot listens to every user review or user comments out there. So up until now, if I come over here and if I want to add an attachment from my existing files and I click on choose existing, you see there are a lot of these PNG files which are not required that come over here. So what this particular update is trying to do is it's going to automatically, I guess with the help of AI, filter out the ones which are actually important. Like for example, there might be decks, there might be some illustrations, screenshots or Miro boards and all of that, which are actually important other than the SVG or PNG files. So it's going to filter all of those out. And when you try to add an attachment, it's just going to show you those instead of all of the other files which are not required or which will never be used as attachments to emails. So again, quite a welcome move. Personally, for me, I feel that these are those tiny things which which HubSpot takes care of, because of which its UI is actually user friendly. And I think the last one over here is dashboard PDF exports. So over here, what it has done is previously, if you downloaded the PDF of a dashboard, first of all, the downloaded UI used to get cropped. It wasn't as user friendly and it did not look the same as if it would look on your spot screens. So now what they've done is, so over here, now what happens is you can now export PDFs in a format that retains the full dashboard layout. So it's not cropped or cut out anywhere, including all the charts and tables as they're displaying it on the screen. and like you see them on the dashboard. So again, a UI change, but yeah, these are the ones which actually, because reports is something which is used extensively by a lot of members, including the leadership. So makes sense that they've improved the UI for this one as well. So yeah, I think those were the top five for this week. Let me know if you like this concept and if you like me to create such more videos which simplifies the HubSpot updates which come in. And yeah, until next time, thank you.